Another day in paradise. Broke the transmission on the 240. Racing a Corvette. It's actually the first hit on the slicks. But the transmission was hurting a little bit already. Well, let's get this thing off the trailer. Start swapping the transmission. Just a little bit. All right, no, a little bit more. I'll start straightening out. Yep, straight. Thing just found reverse somehow. Thing was stuck in fourth all week. Almost out. Couple bolts to get. Get that short throw now. Got the trans out. Yep. I gotta swap bell housings. Wait for Justin to bring the new transmission over.
This trailer is lit. You know you guys have more heads than again?
Well, yeah. Ready to swap these bell housings.
Anything but rare.
Oh,
When it comes to backyard barbecues,
this dude went and swapped the bell housings already.
prepare for it to be delicious with fresh ingredients at a great price.
So, I might have to shorten the drive shaft. This is a little bit longer than this one. Oh shit. Oh. As you can see, oh fuck, there's something on the camera. There it is. As you can see, this is a lot longer. Almost 3 full inches. So, just bought a big old saw. We're gonna cut the drive shaft and fucking send it. The welder over here somewhere. Hell yeah, let's go. Got a broken bolt. Been at it all day. Me and this guy. Junkie over here. Ugh. Finally got the new transmission in. All fucking bolted up. Now we gotta see if it's gonna fucking line up with his shifter hole. And see how much we gotta cut off one of these things. I'm gonna use this one though, because just bought this one for an upgrade and we don't want to fuck it up. Oh, finally got this thing all bundled up. New short throw installed. Had to cut that there a little bit, but that's in. Oh. And then new trans is in. Actually had to cut and weld the drive shaft like an animal, but it looks good actually. Looks really good. Yep. Exhaust is back on. Tony's putting some intercooler piping back on. Oh, it's actually done. Almost ready. Alright, it is now the next day, July 6th. Somehow fucking got a drive shaft shop to cut and weld this guy's solid drive shafts. I don't know how. They were closed at 12. Dude was like, get up here. It's like 2 o'clock. Let's get it. This guy's putting it in. Last piece to the puzzle. Should be good to go. Oh, hell yeah. All day yesterday getting this trans back in. And then last night couldn't drive it because the drive shaft I cut and welded was flopping all over the place. Oh snap. It's getting lower and lower to the ground. Almost there. Shit, I might go for my first ride in this car today. Then put this thing together 3 different times. Haven't been for a ride. Dude, are you ready?
Right here, right now.
Yeah, please. About to go for a ride.